Okay. And this is the application homepage. It is asking subscription. You can go with the free version for now. Okay. Then it take to this screen. This is a basic option screen in which in this app you can manage sales invoices, purchase orders, shipments, payments and receipts, expenses, raw stock items, and the categories, product, customers, vendors, and receipt searching, summary, sales order, cash ledger, more. And you can you may know sales invoice. It is usually this option used to do the sales for your customers. See, I tap this item. It display all the items under your store. Okay. Now it is showing the demo items. You got it. Hello. Yeah. Yes. And from top you can go to your customer page. Here you can list out all the your customers. Now only you have the default customer. If you want to add a new customer, uh, like this one, yeah, just add this one. It is added. And you want to do the sales for Yunus. Okay. It selected, and I want to buy from you two items, demo item, two quantity, demo item 5, three quantity. Okay. Yeah, it is sum is total here, showing on bottom. On tap it will take to cart. Here you can apply the product discounts, edit the products, and if you want to change the customer name, customer, you can do it from here, or you can directly go to the continue for checkout. Here this is the checkout session. Here you can mark it as sales as a cash sale, card sales, or bank or credit card payment. Okay, or write down any note if you want on payment. And for now I make it as a cash sale, and when I type it the completed, and the invoice is ready for printing. If you have a Bluetooth printer or A4 printer, whatever, you can connect this application with the Bluetooth printer. If for the from this settings option, here is printer connectivity. There Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi printer support. I recommend to buy a Bluetooth 80 printer, in which you can select the printer from this list. Hello. Yes. Yes. From here, you can list out the yeah, Bluetooth is not open. Yeah, turn on Bluetooth and go back. Yes, you will list the printers you connected with paired with here. Tap any printer and connect. It will be connect the printer. Once you connected the printer, on tap from this invoice screen. This screen. This is the invoice screen. On tap printing, it will be print. Okay. This is a sales flow, and you can manage different things like if you want no need to show on a QR code here, different templates, invoice template, detailed POS template, standard template is there. We can use a standard template, and it shows like this. So like there is no QR code. If you want to add QR code, it all the options are in this printer settings. Sort item alphabetically on receipt. Print customer info. If you want to print customer information in receipt, you just enable that one. Salesman information, payment informations, like this information you can put if you have the tax, particular name like VAT, 50 percentage. You can add the custom name here. Okay. Then after saving, when we show the details, you can see uh, invoice number here showing payment method is cash, sales rep, default salesman, customer, store, item, quantity, price, amount, everything is showing, and the payment information is showing here like this way. And there is another template, detailed POS template, in which more detailed information will be shown, like the product item description, MRP, unit like a piece or kilogram box, something like quantity, price, and discount on item and amount. This much information available in this template. A different template, you can try the different ones, and also there is A4 template. If you want it in a A4 format, it is showing like this. Okay, this is one time settings. Once you define which format you want, that will be happen like that. Okay, okay. That is a checkout journey. Now the sales is happen. One sales I done. The already happened sales is show here. This screen from sales invoices. This bottom second tab. Here show the sales history. This is a sales history. There is lot of filters like yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, custom date filter, and you can filter by customer city. Okay,